Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasons with Sheena. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn a revenue. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself, wagwan, how things, how life. Happy lazy Monday to you all, alright? So make we get straight on in the video. Yes, my dear children, so last night me I watch a live that Lady D did. Me watch a live a Lady D did last night, my loves. And trust me, you know me I watch it, I'm a two-mouth kind of them they wear on a minute back, my loves. But just I watch the live and I smile, I galang. So I don't know why I'm smiling, my love. But me just I smile, I galang. So and I far down in the live, me catch up on myself, say, I suffer around my mouth kind of them they reach, you know, my love. Them not even did get tired. Me just a grin and I watch the live, so beaming with pride, and you know me I go down memory lane and I remember all kind of things. And me have to say, look what the lady at now. Look at her now. God, you're good bad, you know. Mr. God, you're good bad. Remember the first day, you know, my loves. I remember the first day Lady D come out and made the announcement that she will be migrating. Since them come true, my love. Everything finalized and she will be leaving shortly. Yeah, man, last year, them time, a majority of us was rejoicing. Yes, man. We sit down and wait for Lady D if it come for alive and not alive. Not alive. And I never click in our head, say, you know, say, I playing the woman depan. We sit down and wait for alive. I wonder what galang a Mountain View. What galang a 99 Mountain View. Only if you see later down now, my dear children, live pop up. And as usual, we broke off the whole and we behind, gone over them, my loves. Only if you see Lady D over there for foreign style. Only if you see Lady D over there in a Mr. Chum place. In the land of the free and the home of the brave, my loves. Many was surprised. A lot was beaming with pride. While others were disappointed. Because them plan fail and them dream never come true. Them wish never come true. Some of them did even scared and I go like them not scared. Some of them did afraid and I go like them not afraid. Them out here pretend like them a wait for a lawsuit. Them a wait for go tap up in a courthouse. Them can't wait for that day. So them out here behave. Up until now, them still out here behave like that. And you know the reason why some of us was beaming with so much pride. And because we're not used to people that go foreign. And because we're not used to people that are foreign. We're not used to foreign people. You understand? And we're not frightened. We're frightened. But, you know, based on the things that was said about her over the years, the lies, the accusation, them go as far as they say she can't reach up there. And them come up with all kind of lies and Nancy story. Where them cook up say the woman can't go in a Mr. Trump place. She can't go into the US. And she proved them wrong. She walk up in a Trump foreign. She get her green card without no form of hassle. And she just travel back and forth, to and from, like she have shares up there like a she own foreign, my loves. And there's not a damn thing that they can do about it. Anyways, now, you know, yesterday she took the opportunity and she came out to celebrate her 1 year in America. And she spoke of some of her achievement. She withheld some because I don't know how social media stay. She not really come out and fly her mouth like that anymore and talk up all kind of things where she had done her plans them. Some things now she learned to keep them hush. And then like I tell, she wouldn't want to tell her supporters them, you know, about I just saw the thing set. We know how the thing go out here and we have to respect that. Yes, so she came out last night and she celebrated her 1 year in America. And, you know, she spoke of her achievements. Well, some of them, as me say already. And listening to it so far, the lady are going good. The lady is going fine. The lady has set the foundation. Just 1 year. And she's setting the foundation. She made a promise to her supporters and to herself. She not go foreign go make no fool of herself. She not go foreign go sit back and relax in the people them place and no make use of the opportunities that she get up there. She now go up they go make foreign done pan her and then later down in her life she come here and turn pest to people out here. She now go up they go sit down and farm no fool and waste her time. The woman never hesitate. She never hesitated. And 1 year later, she can come out, come boast by some of her achievements. That means the lady are put in work. The lady are going with herself out there. The lady are use, oh no, careless people as example. She not procrastinate. She not keep on a put off until time catch up on her. She a make use of the now. She's making use of the now. She a make here while the sun shines. So listening to her, this lady has so much going on for her behind the scenes. A lot going on for her behind the scenes. Not just we are unfolding our eyes. She a work behind the scenes too. So for those who out here are worry and make fear business become a problem, I wonder why she up in the people them place and now work. Cause so no feel she now work. She made it quite clear that she have her sources of income. Both what we know about and what we don't know about. Plus our 4 platforms out here that she's gaining from as well because they monetize. She also spoke of her own skincare line coming soon. So you not consider them the as job. You not consider them the as job. The lady no want work for nobody. The lady a build for her own empire. The lady is building her brand. The lady is expanding her brand. What more no want to see? What more no want to see? What more no want to see? Because even if she go out there and she a work for people, you no see wanna go come here cause sit down and I say, if I that she gone to. You no see wanna go talk, you know, go talk same way. So there's nothing that this lady can do for please Uno. So the only thing that she can do is please herself. She choose not to go out there for work for anybody and she's putting measures in place where she don't need to go work for nobody. She's her own boss. So instead of working for people, you know she have people working for her. So no stay there worry about she and taxes. By now we know say the lady out here an idiot. By now we know say she not fool and she has proven that over the years. She made it clear over the years that she not fooling at this. And it is obvious that she has stand by her words them out here. So uno turn the worry. Uno turn the worry and not secure for uno self. No secure for uno self. Uno no see all kind of thing we are going a foreign now. All kind of thing we are going a foreign. Not even the citizens them up there look like they safe. This minute the man say this minute the man say one thing, the another minute him say another thing. So that man up there is so unpredictable. You don't know what am going to do next. So the time you out here and waste all of them the time there, you pack them up together somewhere and use it wisely. Make sure say you use them the time there to secure self. To fix up self. Put self in order just in case push come to shove. Then you know say you got something for rally back pan. And even if somehow you have to go come out on a yard, you know say you now come back a yard because suffer you can come a yard, can live comfortable. So you no take no little time and they out there and focus on the wrong things and focus on when no concern you. If you never used to buckle down up there before, now is the time for you buckle down. You supposed to spend time on buckling down now. So while uno dey upon the media and nyam up uno self, the lady busy out there and work like a ants. Uno pay attention to ants. I wonder if uno know the ants, them know more than we when they come to weather. Because sun we hot, the time bright and peaceful and cheerful and nice. No green no in the sky is all blue. And when you look at one little corner, they say you see Hansa Billness, Hansa Bungle up, and get up and down the whole of them as a team. With some piece of white in a them mouth run up and down with a make preparation. The ants them are prepared for rainy day. Yes, them are gather them food. So anytime you see the sun gone in and the skies are no longer blue, it become grey. You don't know what that mean. You don't know what that mean because the ants them know what that mean. So you know, so them have to go lock in and them have them food. Them have them food for serve them. So you know stay there and follow the ants them. No be like the ants them. The woman busy out here has set herself now. She a lay her foundation. And if you don't realize that you alone out there attack, she not out here two with you alone out there attack. No one again when she might come here call fling two pebbles and gone right back in. You alone out there stress on herself. The amount of grey hair or wrinkle where this young man give you know over the years. So do not and then put phone no life in order. But Lady D, congrats to you, mama, and your achievement. And we wish you all the best in your future endeavors, my love. You've been tested, you've been tried, you've been through the weather, you've been through the storm. You've been through the fire, you've been through the worst. Out here on the media. But guess what? You stand up firm and you weather your storm. This social media, yeah, the people them out here, them put you through so much, them drag you through all kind of backlashes. Them drag you through all kind of sinty. The whole heap of backlash. The lies, the accusations, the rumors. Over the years, the things them when me see you go through out here upon the media. It not take no ordinary smart if you stand firm in this year. If you stand firm and the mental state still intact. You know, take no ordinary smart if you do that. But we don't know, say, I know you alone to fight your battles. We know God there with you. Because you alone couldn't do this. If you weren't a firm believer in Christ, possibly you would be out here running up and down half naked and tear up and dirty on the streets. Head would have gone left you a long time, you would have run mad. But as me say, we know say gotta angle that. We know gotta angle that. Yeah, man. But Lady G, we just want to tell you, say you for hold strong, same way, continue to stay firm and keep your head above the waters. You've been tested, you've been tried, all kind of trials and temptations. And you know, done yet. You know, done yet. The trials and the temptation and the testing, you know, done yet. You still have a far, far way for go, my love. Because we know them people are out here, you know. As long as you continue winning out here, as long as you continue winning out here, them not ease up, them not back down, them must stay by your tail same way. Because if after 6 years, them still out here, if after 6 years, them still out here, pan your tail, it's obvious them not have no give up anytime soon. But God never bring you this far to leave you, Lady D. The Lord never bring you this far to leave you. Yes, we know you falter by the way, because you know, in your church, I call you used to the in your church anymore. You understand? So we know you falter by the way. But because you falter, don't mean so you leg off a God hand. Or him leg, well, I know you hold him hand. If I did you hold him hand, you'd have let it go long time. But the fact that you falter, don't mean so him a go leg off of your hand, him hang on pan it same way. And me always hear my granny sing one song about 99 sheep. I saw you go 99 sheep, 100 sheep and 99 steer and one stray. And him not ignore the one where stray and say, you know what I want, making go along about him business. Him will find him where. Me can't afford to left the 99 them yes so. If I go worry about one sheep. Him left the 99. Because him know say the 99 now go nowhere. Him know them now go nowhere. If them did go nowhere. If them did go nowhere, them would have stray away with the one. So obviously the one was stray away. He was the unruly one. And him left the 99 and him go search for the one. Because him just as important as the 99. I don't know why song. We said there were 90 and 9. That safely stayed. Let me sing it for you. I want my granny favorite song where she always at home. And it say, there were 99 that safely lay in the shelter of the fold. But one was out on the hills away, far off from the gates of gold. away on the mountains, wild and bare, away from the tender shepherd's care, away from the tender shepherd's care. My loves, me no recite out of my head, that's so alone, me know. But Lady D, ma'am, continue to be the praying woman that you are. Continue believing in a God, because one day you shall overcome, one day you shall be victorious, and one day you are going to walk away as the conqueror. All right, my love? So one day soon and very soon. So make them go on interfere, make them go and do what them a do. Bucket a go well, one day the behind must drop out. One day the behind a go drop out, and the same day the leaf go water bottom it rotten. You understand? Anyways, my love, big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. Thank you all for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Big up and bless up on a nice, clean, good self. Thank you all for tuning in. Peace out. Much love. See you later. Bye-bye.